another video. Today we have the deal of the day. We got a deal on a ratchet and a screw gun. Big shout out to my buddy Josh McQuincy. I don't know if I butchered your last name, but Josh M. Down on the comment section of my previous video, I shout out to him. He let me know that this was up and went ahead and made this video. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, we're at the Home Depot page here. We go to special offers and deals. We go special buy of the day. So special offers and deals, special buy of the day. Click on it again. Alright, once you get to here, you're going to get the timer, obviously, because it's only for today. So savings ends 15 hours. So you got a special buy savings today only, free delivery. So gifts for the tool enthusiasts, up to 50% off select gifts or for the tools. Alright. So the first one we got is today only, save 41%, is the Milwaukee M12 12-volt lithium cordless combo kit, 4-tool combo kit for $199. I think this is a good deal. A great deal, actually. Looks like you got the, let's see here. You got a combo kit, 4-tool combo kit with 3 1.5 amp hour battery, 1 charger, 1 tool bag. It says includes drill driver, impact driver, hacksaw, and rotary tool. So you're off the bat, you're getting 4 tools, and you're getting 3 batteries, and a charger, and a bag. Definitely a good deal. Definitely check it out. The best deal, I think it's the next one. Well, not the next one. Alright, here's another good one here. If you need what is this? The multi-tool. So this is the multi-tool, and let's see here. Looks like an impact driver. So it says includes a M12 multi-tool, impact driver, M12 battery, charger, variable speed, 5,000 to 20,000 OPM, parts, M12 system featuring, okay. So $99, you're getting 1 battery, you're getting the oscillating tool, multi-tool, and you're getting the non-fuel, or these are non-fuels by the way, these are non-fuel tools. Still, they're great tools. And then you're getting the impact driver there, and a bag and a charger. A small battery, by the way. Alright, the next one down, which I think it's a much better deal. This is the Milwaukee M12 12-volt lithium cordless 3/8 ratchet and screw gun for $99.97. Now this is a good deal just because of the ratchet. The ratchet by itself is $149 according to Home Depot's website. So it's $149 per tool. Obviously, you're not going to pay $149 for that. But, you know, getting in this for free, you're getting this kit. You're going to be getting the screw gun. So the M12 1/4 hex screwdriver. You're going to get the M12 3/8 ratchet. It's not the fuel, but you're still getting the M12 3/8 ratchet. You're getting a 1.5 lithium battery, a red lithium battery. You're getting an M12 charger, and you're getting a contractor bag. So definitely check it out, only for $99.97. This is a great deal. If you guys look at the M12 screw gun, alright, you got the M12 cordless hex screwdriver, $79. So this is by itself $79. That's a great deal. You know, for $20 more, you're getting the ratchet. I have to go back. All right. So yes, that's the screw gun right there. Definitely check it out. This is a smoking deal, guys. Like I said, big shout out to my friend there that we found out this morning. My friend Josh. All right, let's go back. Let's see what else we got. Any more deals? It says, and as you guys see here, you got a save up to 50%. So the ones that you see 50%, those are the ones you're going to be saving a little bit more. Obviously 41 steel, a great deal. 30%, not so good deal. This is pretty much Black Friday, already have prices. Still not too bad though. So on this one you're getting, it looks like the fuel hammer drill impact gun. 2 big batteries. Let me just look at the details on this one. So you're getting hammer drill impact driver, 2 XC 5 amp hour batteries. Also includes M18 fuel blower. So it's not too bad. It's not the best deal. I think the best deals are those. Let's see if we got anything else. Save 40%, 349. Like I said, it's the same thing. We're already seeing that on the buy one get one free deal that we have. Save 38%. Fuel 6. It's not too bad. You're saving. So yeah, these deals are not too bad. They're pretty good. You got the M18 fuel, cordless 1 gallon vacuum, the backpack. Then you're getting a big battery here. Let's see what that is. It's hard to see with the. You're getting an 8 amp hour battery. So this is not a bad deal, guys. This is not a bad deal for you're getting an 8 amp hour battery. You're getting a big battery there with that kit. Which is, guys, if you guys look at it, these deals are pretty much the same as we already have in the store. You buy one of these, because I went, if you guys haven't checked out my Home Depot video, I went to the store and pretty much found this deal here where they had the vacuum, you get that for free. So it's the same thing. I mean, it's the same thing. Same thing with these. $179, you get 2 batteries. So it's not too bad. Not too bad deals here. They are the fuel, so you're getting 2 big batteries on there and the charger in a hard case. Let's see what else we got here. We got the reciprocating saw, Milwaukee saw blades. Are these for $19 though? How many blades do you get with this? This is a 26 piece. I still think the 20 piece, the 10 piece, and then the 10 you get for free with for $19. I think that's a much better deal. It depends on the blade that it includes there. I'm not gonna go over the blades because this video would be too long. All right, guys. We're just letting you guys know what's up. Like I said, definitely check out the deal, the Ratchet deal with the screw gun. That's probably the best deal out of this whole thing. Don't forget to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, commenting down below. And you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your time off work if you're going to be off work. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.